Hello, everybody. In the framework of the Interreg Northwest Europe Blockstart project, I'm glad to present you the free training that my company offers to SME interested by blockchain technology. So in a few words, first, I will talk about my company, Kapalt, which is fully dedicated to blockchain technology consulting and services company, which exists for about 3 years now, and which is working of a company of different size, from the startup to bigger company through SME, to help them to understand the technology, to assess the opportunity, and to develop projects around this blockchain technology. So we are working mainly in the area of traceability, security, cybersecurity, privacy of data exchange and information exchange between companies. So in different industrial sectors, like, for instance, agri-food, healthcare, and manufacturing. And also we are working with the public sector. So in a very few words, just to present you the first module that we are offering in terms of training. It's basic concept and training around the technology blockchain, which means that we are working with you on a session which is around 1 day, and we are working to present you the different concepts from a technological point of view, but mainly from a business point of view, to understand how you can leverage this technology either to solve business issue, either to identify opportunities linked to this technology. Okay, so we are mostly working on the basis of use cases and project, real life project, because we do believe that as long as a project is not live, it's of little interest. And we are mainly treating all the business aspects linked to the blockchain, because blockchain is, of course, it's a new technology, but when we are dealing with blockchain, 30% is really linked to technology and 70% is linked to governance, ecosystem, and it's absolutely key to understand this concept before be ready to launch initiative around that. So I would be very happy to be in touch with you and looking forward to working with you on this area. Thank you.